Pretty cheerful today. Now, Fernando's a very polite little bird, so he always asks our audience this next question. Bit of a mumbled, how are you? But I see some lovely smiles out there. Now, his name is Fernando, but we do call him Nando so much. In fact, it is the exact way he likes to introduce himself. So tell everybody your name. Hollers it out in a song. And he is playful by nature. Favorite game to play with us. I think you guys might figure this one out. He likes a good tickle, and he also finds it quite funny. Get some chuckling. Now, our master of sound effect here, Fernando, has a few in store. First off, us drinking a nice cold glass of water. Some good chug-lugs. He has learned to snort like a pig. Rude oinks, and why not the bark of a dog? Just not a very scary dog bark, that's for sure. Now, he's obviously talented. His talents extend musically, loves to whistle, sing, and even loves to dance. So let's see if he has some dance moves in store for us today. All right, nice little warm-up before he whistled there, and he is ready to whistle one of his original tunes. Let's see what he has.
Wow. Well, there you have a lovely little Fernando original. All right, like his whistling, let's hope you can enjoy his favorite song to sing, and let's see if you recognize it. Yeah, that was pretty bad, right? Let's clear him up, maybe. All right, a few little coughs, a little bit of a treat. I'm thinking we forgot to warm up his voice, so let's try that out. All right, we've tuned him in. He's ready to sing his favorite song now. Let's